As a new user on LinkedIn, it will guide you through the key parts of your profile. So now we have added a background picture and our headline, we can run through the other elements in this little wizard. The first element you will be prompted for is core information on your current job. If you added your current job when you went through the initial setup, you will just need to add your work dates here and the wizard will show you how. If you haven't yet added your current job, you will need to add your company and job title. On your profile screen, click the Add Work Dates button. Select the start date and year of that position. Add an end date for when you finished in that particular role. If you're currently in that position, you can tick that you currently work here. Click the Add to Profile button to finish the process. Next, the wizard will ask you to add one element of your educational history. This would usually be the highest level of qualification you have achieved, so your most recent education experience. Click the Add Education button. Search for your school or university. Many of the big schools and universities are listed here, so you should be able to find them. Enter the level of degree or qualification that you achieved. Enter the field of study for your qualification, and then set your start and end information for this particular course. The next section is add in skills. These are specific items which you have experience in. They could be physical skills like bricklaying or plumbing, soft skills like communication skills, IT skills like InDesign or Excel, and there are hundreds of them. Skills are searchable in LinkedIn, and colleagues can endorse you for your skills, which helps your discoverability. You can add up to a maximum of 50, but we recommend adding between 10 and 30 because if you have too many, your endorsements may be spread quite thinly, with some of the less important skills being endorsed more than the important ones, which could impact on the jobs you are considered for. Click Add 5 skills on the Setup wizard. LinkedIn will show you a list of skills which it thinks could be relevant based on your job title. Single click on any of these to add them to your profile. Click Add another skill to search the skills database for specific items such as team leadership. Click it to add it to your profile. Continue this process until you've added at least 5 skills. Click Save when you have finished. Next on the wizard is Add in your summary. This is the About Me section. We recommend that you draft your summary in Microsoft Word or Notepad before putting it into LinkedIn, as you can read it through, revise it, and spell check it all before you add it. So, what should you include and how much text can you add? The summary area is limited to 2,000 words, but only the first 3 lines are shown to people searching for you, so it needs to have a strong opener. The summary section should include information on your skills, your experience, and a bit about you. So, are you a great communicator, an experienced engineer, have fantastic IT skills? How many years have you been working in the sector, or what previous experience has got you to this point? And what makes you tick? What are your professional interests, and what do you enjoy doing outside of work? If you're not sure about your LinkedIn summary, feel free to send a draft to your transition partner for their feedback. And don't forget, you can change this whenever you like. Once you're happy with it, let's see how to add it into LinkedIn. We recommend having your Word or Notepad copy open at the same time so you can quickly copy and paste it between the screens. In the wizard, click the Add Summary button. Drag your Microsoft Word or Notepad file onto screen. Do Control and A to select all of the text. Right click Copy Pop into the LinkedIn screen and right click and paste. Click the Save button to save your changes and continue. So that's your core information all done. You can now watch further training videos on adding specific areas into your LinkedIn profile.